Right, good afternoon. Well, we're out for another walk. As you'll have seen from the introductory bit, I'm walking from home today. Given that we're in October and well into autumn, I thought I'd come out and see if there was any autumn colours. But I wanted to come somewhere where there would be options for other images as well. So what I've decided to do, we're going to go up Walla Crag. Here I am walking through Springs Wood. To go up Walla Crag, there might be opportunities, some images from the top there, and then head back down through Cat Gill, which there's water opportunities for images of the stream coming down Cat Gill, but it is quite a wooded area as well, so again there might be some autumn colours there, and then we'll come back through Great Wood, which we'll have to see. So that's the plan for today. Sorry about the light as I'm walking. It's quite sunny and quite cloudy, so all of a sudden the sun comes out, you adjust the exposure and then it goes back in again and it's all dark, so I apologise for that. What I would like to do is remind you that while you're watching this video, if you like the video, please click the thumbs up, and if you like what I'm doing and you like my videos in general, why not subscribe, both of which do a great good for the channel. So yeah, that would be much appreciated. And the other thing that I find very useful is people's comments, whether they're picking me up on something that's not so good or suggestions for future videos, or either just comments on the video that they're watching at the time. So please comment, it is much appreciated, and I do at the moment, given that I'm such a small channel, I do reply to all comments. So anyway, we're getting a bit out of breath here, so as I say, we're on our way up to Walla Crag. So anyway, we'll see you a bit later. Right, we're getting near the top of Walla Crag now. You can see at the moment Keswick's lit up by the sun, and the clouds seem to be dissipating at the moment, so we'll have a look for a shot at the top. As you can see there, as we just pan round down water and the mountains beyond, and obviously it's getting a bit bright there because we're going towards the sun. So yeah, we're going to mooch around at the top, see if there's any shots, see what we can see on any images to capture. If we do, I'll video that, but otherwise we'll go to the top and then we'll head off to Cat Gill. I mean, certainly the heather, if we look down here, the heather is certainly changing colour, and I've come through some bracken as well that's changing colour, but the trees still seem to be fairly green. So anyway, we'll see what we can see, and we'll see you a little bit later. Right, well, I've come across this little beck here. I don't know whether you can see there. Over there is a bit of a cascade, waterfall, whatever you want to call it. But there is quite a lot of colourful leaves that have fallen on the ground. So yeah, I thought I would capture the image of that. Whether it'll come out or not, we'll only find out when we get home. Yeah, but if we look at the back of the camera there, f11 is normal, but I've upped the ISO to 800 so I could get an eighth of a second. I didn't want the water to be too smoothed out, so hopefully you can see that the water's there. I have also got a polarizer in to darken the darken any glare off the water. So anyway, that's I had to get quite low down for that. So yeah, so that's the composition. If it's any good, we'll put it up on the video, and now we'll go on to the top of Walla Crag. So anyway, we'll see you a bit later. Right, we're at Cat Gill now, starting to work our way down. It's quite steep, the first bit, until you get more level with the actual stream. But I've just stopped here just to video. I mean, it's quite nice, the mountains over there with the light, etc. Although the light's a bit harsh. But it just reminds me, many years ago, and I can't remember how long. I'll put the year up on the video. I did capture an image from round about this spot, which I'm quite happy with. So what I'll do is I'll just put that up on the video so you can see that, and then we'll carry on down, and we'll see you a bit later. Right, we've come off the path. There's a little path down here to the river here, or the stream, and there's this quite big tree to give some support. So yeah, I managed to get a position on the tree, a little precarious but not that precarious, and then shot the stream up here. Obviously all handheld. There's no way I was getting a tripod down there. So anyway, we'll see how they come out. Took quite a few different shots, different speeds. It's nice that, as you can see, there is the coloured leaves, etc. So whether they'll come out or not, I'm not quite sure. So anyway, if they're any good, we'll put them up on the video after this, and now we're going to carry on down Cat Gill. There's still quite a bit of light about, so we'll see what we can see lower down. So anyway, we'll see you a bit later. Right, well, we've now come down to the bridge over the stream, and there is a bit of a waterfall or cascades here, and it's coming back a bit. I don't know whether you can see across there. There's a bit of light shining on the side of the canyon or the gorge. I've already taken the images. I just wanted to get it while the light was there, and it's coming back now, but as I say, I've already taken them. But the last shot, if we look at the back of the camera for that, I'd up the ISO to 1600, f8 and half a second. But you may be able to see from the screen that I'm doing a square crop. So there's the markers on the screen to show me where the square crop would be. We'll see how it comes out. What I've got is the actual main cascades in the top right of the frame, and the river coming down to the bottom left of the frame. The bit that's lit up is more or less in the middle, slightly in the top third, and then you've got this gnarly bit of wood here as well. So hopefully it'll make quite a good composition. We'll see what it looks like when we get it all at home, but if it's any good, we'll put it up on the video. Yeah, I mean, looking at the back of the camera, it's looking quite impressive. Not so much of the colours of autumn, but there is a little bit, but I think it just makes a nice image. So we'll put that up on the video, and then we'll carry on into Greatwood on our way home and see if there's anything we can see there. So anyway, we'll see you a bit later. Right, we're here walking through Greatwood. The light's starting to fade, so I'm not really going to get any more compositions, no more images. If you've watched the video this far, thank you very, very much. Didn't really get much in terms of autumn colours. I think it's still a little bit early, although some of the trees are starting to turn. I think the problem in Greatwood is there's a lot of evergreen type trees and not so much of the deciduous, so a lot of them do stay green. And woodland photography is not one of my strong points. I really do need to practice it, get into it, and be able to spot compositions. But I think it's been a good afternoon, evening's walk, particularly that last image at the bridge. I'm hoping, because I've only seen it on the back of the camera, but I think that's a really good one. So we'll see. But yeah, if you've enjoyed the video and haven't already done so, please click the thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing, why not subscribe? And if you subscribed, why not click the bell, and then you'll be notified of when the videos go live. It is my aim to put a video up every Sunday at 5 o'clock. That's UK time. Yeah, and I would encourage you to comment as well, or get into some dialogue with me. Yeah, I mean, whether it's just a particular comment about the video, or whether it's a general comment about photography in the Lake District, wanting some advice on where to go, etc. I do answer all comments. We're only a small channel, so it's not too onerous a task at the moment, but yeah, hopefully we'll grow, and hopefully people do get some benefit from this. So yeah, so we're heading home for some tea now. Yep, and we'll see you on the next video.